morning, students. Myself, J. Kumar, for today's class 10 chemistry, chapter number 1, and that is chemical reactions and equations. Students, in this chapter, our main focus will be on these many facts, these many terms, these many topics. And topics number 1 is chemical reactions and their characteristics. Second, chemical equations. And third one, balanced and unbalanced chemical equation. Next, balancing of chemical equations. And next, types of chemical reactions. And at last, corrosion and rancidity. So these are the topics which we will study in this chapter. So my dear students, I am going to start the first topic, that is chemical reactions. Students, chemical reactions are chemical changes in which some new substances with new properties are formed. So if anyone asks you what is a chemical reaction, simple answer should be a chemical reaction is the chemical change. Now students, in our nature, generally two types of changes going on, and these are physical changes and chemical changes. Students, all those chemical changes which are going on around us in the nature are example of chemical reactions. Let me say those changes, first of all, a spoiling of milk during summer. This is the example of a chemical change. So it is a chemical reaction. Next, rusting of iron. It occurs in our nature, and this is also example of a chemical reaction. Also rancidity, corrosion, these are also example of chemical reaction, because in all these changes, some new substances with new properties are formed. So students, now we learned what is chemical reactions. Now let me say what are the characteristics of chemical reactions. What are the characteristics of chemical reactions? So characteristics you can note down. Characteristics of chemical reactions. Students, first characteristics, evolution of gas. Evolution of gas means whenever a chemical reaction takes place, there may be evolution of gas. So this is the first characteristics of evolution of gas. Next one is formation of a precipitate. Precipitate means during chemical reactions, as a product, formation of precipitate may appear, may take place. Right? Number next is change in color. Color changes takes place during the chemical reactions. Number 4, change in state. Change in states may take place from solid to liquid, or solid to gas, or liquid to gas, or liquid to solid. So such type of changes appear during the chemical reaction. And last one is change in color. Change in color may also takes place during a chemical reaction. So students, in characteristics of chemical reactions, these many points you keep in your mind, and that is number 1, evolution of gas, number 2, formation of a precipitate, Number 3, change in color. Number 4, change in state. And number 4, change in color already I have written. So these 4 points in the characteristics of chemical reaction, you may note down, you may write. Now, students, one important term is here, change in energy. This is very important. Change in energy or change in temperature. Students, whenever a reaction takes place, either increase in temperature or decrease in temperature appear in the reactions. So this is the main characteristics of a chemical reactions. So in characteristics of chemical reactions, these many points you should keep in your mind. Now, after characteristics of chemical reaction, our third topic is chemical equation. Chemical equations. Students, chemical equations are shorthand method to represent a chemical reaction in terms of symbol and formula. So you can note down, this is the shorthand method to represent a chemical reaction, in terms of symbols and formulae of the substances undergoing chemical change. So this is the definition of chemical equation. Okay, students. Now, after chemical equations, we have to know about the balanced and unbalanced chemical equation. So balanced and unbalanced chemical equation will be our next topic. So whenever I come here in next topic, balanced and unbalanced equation will be discussed before you. Till then, thank you.